Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, one of the things that we are going to see happening on one of next week's episode on Uthando Nesthembu is we see a snippet of Umusa blaming uMaNgcwabe, saying ukuthi the reason why he actually went elaliswe esibhedlela is because uMaNgcwabe has been threatening ukuthi she's going to leave. I was just like, how am I lendoda? So is he trying to use this sickness as a reason, or as, I don't know, as something to keep uMaNgcwabe like staying, like maybe in hopes of what she's going to feel guilty, what like he's in hospital now, I can't leave and whatnot. I'm just like, sir, you should know your wife by now. Uguti, that's not going to work. Well, at least that's what we think, guys. It seems like at least from my perspective, I'm just like, well, sir, you are just saying those words to the wrong person. But I'm like, no, man. It can't be that, I know Umusa better than his wife. He must be using this trick because maybe he knows ukuthi there's a possibility that this might work on her. Why wouldn't he use it on a person like Umayeni or anyone else? Do you understand what I'm saying? So I feel like maybe Tina, as the public, we know a different Mangwabe in comparison to the Mangwabe that Umusa knows. Maybe Umusa knows ukuthi ikhona indlela that I can keep this woman here, even though she comes and appears publicly as if she doesn't care a damn or something like that. Kanti no, ugeli uyazixoxela nje mekasekamere nendoda yakhe ukhulume esinye story nje yithi nje we just think ukuthi vele uzohamba ngempela or something like that, because I've just been waiting. I'm just like, Mangcwabe, like there's nothing wrong in saying Penna, we're not politicians, guys. Able, we are not politicians. We can say something today sasa sivuke and change our minds, and no one should judge us for that. So if Mangcwabe comes and changes a story, now I won't judge you guys. I can get. But I was just like, Musa, no, you can't be using that reason on someone else and making someone else feel guilty to that extent, which they are the reasons of why you are in hospital. Hi, that's extreme. I thought now that Musa, or let me say then when he was sick, which maybe it will make him a bit softer. And Mangcwabe was saying last night, this man, he did not become any softer. Instead, he's become more stubborn. I'm just like, yeah. Hi, Ngeke. Has he not learned anything? Because next season, uMaNgcwabe will be using this reason, like to say, I'm not staying because what kind of man blames you, turns around and blames you? That time, you know what's the funny thing, guys? The night or the day he got sick, was he not the one who told uMaNgcwabe that the family was stressing him? Chiki, now he's changing it with uMaNgcwabe mkulisai. Okay, guys. Anyway, let's park it there. You guys tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.